In this tutorial, we'll show you how to be able to track the shared files in your data room and get notifications whenever they're accessed. First thing you want to do is go and sign into your OrangeDocs account. Next, locate your data room that you've already created. If you haven't created a data room yet, go have a look at our tutorials on how to create a new data room. Selecting the data room, we can go ahead and preview the room. And here we can go through and check out some of the documents within our room. We can go see our pitch deck, and as we scroll through, note that OrangeDocs is tracking exactly which pages are being viewed and for how long for each participant within the room. And this is going to give you those tracking metrics to be able to tell you how your data room is being accessed, and what files are accessed, and specifically what pages of those files are being accessed. If we go back to our data room and now select right beside, first of all, you see that our test account has shown that it's been opened the data room, and that's a real-time notification within the application itself. Next thing you'll notice as well is that we will receive an email that this particular data room was opened, and not only that, but who opened it as well. And this will let you know exactly who's accessing your room and when. But specifically being notified when they're open the room is a great time to be able to go ahead and touch base with those investors. See if you can answer any questions you might have, because you know they're looking at your room right now. Looking at the activity of that room, you can see that we've looked at the room in a bunch of different documents within the room on one device, and we can look specifically at which documents have been viewed. If we look at the pitch deck that we just looked at, we see there's been 2 views, one probably earlier today as well, and how much time was spent on each page of that document. So we can see during the time we were looking at it, how long we spent on each page. We've also noticed there's no other pages being looked at past page 6. That tells us a lot of information about what pages of our pitch deck are valuable to investors and which ones are not. It's a great way to go in and make changes and updates and really sort of make your pitch deck either stronger, and this could be applied for any other document you might have within your data room as well. And that is a quick short tutorial on how exactly you can track and be notified of exactly whenever someone opens a document within your data room. Sign up for a 14-day free trial, no credit card required.